Hey guys, welcome back to Block's Kitchen. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Today we're going to be smoking a pork butt to make pulled pork sliders, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. You know, I actually don't have a smoker. What I use is the Weber. I'd use the whole snake method. We're just going to line up the snake with coals. We're going to top it with the wood chips, and we got the drip pan right there in the middle. So whenever the coals get started, just start them at the beginning, and they'll work their way around. Alright, first step is to inject the meat. All of our injection is apple juice, apple cider vinegar, and some of the rub I made. So just that. Down and in. This could get a little messy on you. See it plumping up there? Whoop. One more should be okay. And always wash your hands before you do this. Alright, that should be good. Next up, we'll do the rub, so stay tuned. Alright, now for step 2, we're going to apply the rub. And the ingredients for the rub I'll put down in the description. Get it nice and coated. Pat that down a little bit. Give it a roll. Making a mess, but who doesn't, right? Roll over, get the bottom. Got one more side there. Alright, I'm going to finish applying the rub, and then we'll be back to put it on the smoker whenever it's ready. Stay tuned. Alright, we got the coals just about getting ready to go. As you can see, I got the wood chips lined up on top of the coals there. And you want to soak them for about 30 minutes in water to get the most smoke out of them. So after I dump the coals, we'll be back to put the meat on. Alright, time to put the meat on. Grill sitting right about 225, 250, right where we want it. Put this on there. And we're going to keep an eye on that throughout the day. Keep it around 225, 250. Want to get to an internal temp to about 195, 200 to get that good pulled pork. So stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. Pork's been on for about 2 hours now. We're going to take it off the grill. I'm going to zoom in there. Take this up, put it on some foil. We're going to bring it inside, wrap it up in more foil, and bring it back out. So follow me in.
I'm on this side.
Alright, and on the top of this foil, we're going to have butter and brown sugar that we're going to put right over the top of that. It smells great, by the way. Alright, let's go bring that back outside. And we're going to put this right back on. And wait till that gets to about 195, 200 internal temp, and we'll be back with you. Thanks. Alright, just check the internal temp. It was sitting at 195, which is perfect time to take it out. So we're going to take this off real quick here. No gloves, just going to wing it. Pour out. Alright, so we want to get that to about 200, 205, so we're going to let it rest for about 7 to 10 minutes, and we'll get back to you. Alright, the pork's been done resting for about 10 minutes. We took a piece of it, chopped it up, shredded it up. Now we're going to put it into the homemade barbecue sauce I made, which is really easy. It's basically just ketchup, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Just boil it for a few minutes. Now we're going to let this all soak together, and then we'll make our sandwiches. Let's get this all in there. Ooh, a couple other pieces down here. Alright, we'll make our sandwich next. Alright, welcome back. The pulled pork has been cooking in the barbecue sauce for about 10 minutes now. We've let it set for a little bit, cool it down. Now we're going to build a sandwich. We got an artisan little mini roll right here. We're going to throw the pulled pork right on top of there. The more the better. Set that down. We're going to go a little bit of coleslaw right on top. And then we've got sweet butter pickles. I'm going to throw one of those right on top of there. That, and then for the side dish, we got a little bit of macaroni salad. Store-bought, not homemade. Alright, there's your finished product.